Hello everyone. Let's learn how to make chalk paint. It is very easy to make. Chalk paint is very expensive in the market. So let's make it at home. Take one container. 1 spoon of plaster of Paris, or you can take baby powder also. 1 spoon of color and mix it. 1 spoon of water. Add it gradually and mix it well till the lumps break down. Consistency should be like this. Let's apply in the plastic container. You can use it on any type of surfaces like glass, plastic, ceramic or any other surfaces. After drying, you will get beautiful velvety matte look. Take sandpaper and rub it on surface like this for rustic and rough look. It goes well with many spaces. Don't forget to let us know in the comment box when you try it at home.